Hi everyone, welcome to Irene's Movable Feast. Today I will show you how to make a baked tomato with garlic. This is a very popular French appetizer and it's very simple that you can use a small oven to make it. The ingredients are very simple and most of the work is the chopping. First, we need to chop 2 to 3 tablespoons of the fresh parsley. I like to use the entire parsley including the stem. Each parsley is about 1 tablespoon after chopping into flakes, so it's easy to count. You will have to repeat the chopping 3 times if you include the stem. After parsley is chopped, add it into the breadcrumbs. Now chop the garlic. If you have a machine like Thermomix, you can also just add the garlic into Thermomix and the machine will chop everything for you. That's what I have, and for a small amount I will chop with hand. For a big amount, or if I don't want to get my hands smells like garlic, I will put that into the machine. After I chop garlic in 4 directions, add it into the mixture. Okay, chopping is done. Let's cut the tomato. So this tomato we want to cut in a horizontal way. So you can see that I marked the center from the side and slightly press the tomato when I cut through the tomato. Array the cut half tomatoes on the small baking tray. Come back to the mixture contains breadcrumb, chopped parsley, and garlic. Add some fresh ground black pepper, about 1 teaspoon. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Use a spoon to well combine everything. So this is the only topping that gives the flavor. Scoop the mixture on top of the tomatoes. Kind of pile them up like a little hill. After all the mixture is added, sprinkle some olive oil. We will use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the olive oil. Generously sprinkle on top. This recipe only requires a small oven like a toaster oven. 425 degrees Fahrenheit bake for about 10 minutes. Let's take the tomato out and see if it is cooked. A simple way to check if the tomato is cooked is to use a tongue to slightly press the tomato and see if it's soft. The baked tomato will be soft, so you will want to use a spatula to help you to move it from the baking tray to the plate. Let's do some final touch. Pick some spring parsley to garnish the plate. Wipe the crumbs or excessive oil with a tissue. Can you believe this beautiful appetizer is so easy to make and only needs a small oven? I hope you like it. Please give me a thumbs up on my video and also subscribe my channel. You can also subscribe my website. Thank you.